channel. So today I'm in Masaka. Masaka is one of the biggest cities we have here in Uganda. So today I want to show you around Masaka city downtown. So sorry it's so loud in this place. It's very loud, but I'm trying to speak like I'm trying to talk loudly so that you can hear. So today I'm in Masaka. Masaka is one of the bustling cities we have here in Uganda, and I want to show you how downtown Masaka looks like. And I want to start with showing you the Masaka market. Like you can see, this is the place. This is Masaka market, like you can see here. And let us continue with our journey. So before I showed you this video, I already showed you, you can see the buildings that are coming up. Before I showed you this video, I already showed you around Jinja. Jinja is one of the bustling big places we have right here in Uganda. Masaka is one of the most speedy developing place we have in Uganda. So I'm gonna be showing you around Masaka. So just sit where you're seated and I will show you around this place. This is the Masaka you have to see on the TV. So let's be going and we continue our journey. Yeah. Masaka, Masaka, Masaka. This is Masaka. Masaka is one of the bustling cities in Uganda. And before you continue watching this video, just subscribe there and let's have fun together. Yes. Most of the richest people in Uganda come from here in Masaka, but they just relocate to Kampala and do more business like before. Yep. Masaka. This is Masaka, Masaka, Masaka. This is downtown Masaka, where most of the businesses takes place. Yes. This is where most of the businesses takes place in Masaka City. Masaka City 2024, and you have to just know that this is the place where most of the rich guys in Uganda come from. Yep. This is Masaka. Masaka is the place where most of the successful guys come from in Uganda. 2024, this is how it looks like. 2024, this is how it is looking like. 2024, this is how it looks like. You can see here Masaka, bustling place. Yes, I'm so proud to be Ugandan because when I move to city to city and I see that there is a lot of change in those cities, I feel good. Yeah. So that's it right about now. That's it right about now. That's Masaka for you. That's Masaka for you. Yeah. I'm in Masaka. I'm so happy to be in Masaka because it's my first place. It's my first place. Sorry, it's my first time in Masaka. Yep.
Koko iyo tujigula eri ku Mikando Chicken and Delivery Services.
And I'm so happy to be in this place. See businesses coming up. Yeah, people are busy. Busy streets, busy places. Yep. This is Masaka for you, and we're still moving. So just watch as I continue to show you around this place, and just subscribe to the channel right now, and let's go. Yep. This is your boy in Masaka. We're in Masaka, and we're just showing you how Masaka looks like 2024. Yes, Uganda is just on the right way, on the right move. Yep. See that. Can see that right now. This is Uganda. This is not Kampala. The buildings are similar to those of Kampala. Like this one, it resembles bus terminal, Policel bus terminal. If you know that building, but it's not Policel. It's actually in Masaka. I'm surprised. I didn't know Masaka was like this, a big thing. I'm so surprised. I thought that it was something like too deep in the village and there is nothing moving on. But to my surprise, is somewhere. Masaka is really somewhere in the right track. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Hey, in Masaka City. Yes. Let's see how it goes here in Masaka City. This is your city of your parents, your grandparents. This is the city where a lot of things happen. People who live here, majority are Baganda people. Uganda is the biggest tribe right here in Uganda. So it's their city. But Jinja, the other one I showed you last time, or the last video, Jinja is for Basoga. Basoga are like the third or fourth. Yeah. So this is Masaka, and Masaka is one of the improving cities, fast growing cities in Uganda. So stay tuned to this channel as I'm showing you around the city. As you can see, it's a bustling place, fully grown. So which city should I go next? Which cities should I go next? Because I have to show you these places. Tell me which city should I go next? Yep. Mbakwate kali bakuitani Singadi kicho manyi ku Masaka
Masaka okubale bantu wa site kade kibuga kyaffe kinyuma tutula Kampala
actually mbadde ngamba abantu wano bwe gusoose wane Masaka mbadde manyi Masaka kyalo naye I'm surprised nti waliwo ebizimbe
bagenda otuwa site nga bakiraba enguudo zonna bazikoze kyamenyeka ekibuga abasaabaze batambula bangi ate tulina kyetulujja mu Masaka kati
kyennaku Segirinya alako yatuvuddeko mu maaso
Segirinya bambi tajja wakabe kawembe eyo
wali kyakukola naye wasigale kukyatambula
naye bagamba okufanga okudde mu kitiibwa dana okufa ng'oli kyesitaza. Segirinya wagenze wonna
Segirinya atuke emirembe gyali omwoyo gwe.
Amiina. Kuba actually mbadde nzijanga Segirinya ayitawo bamuyisaawo ndowooza bamuleese
bamutuusiza era ali ku butaka kati.
Kale bannaye mwebale nnyo. Yeah, that's Masaka. Those are the citizens of Masaka trying to talk to me. Yeah, there is an MP that died, unfortunately, and they have been so sad about that. But that's life. We have to go and others come. Yeah, so that's your city, Masaka City, like you can see here. Yep, that's your city, Masaka City. At least I'm gonna be one of the glad guys that ever stepped my foot in Masaka in 2024. Yep. So that's it for today, and I think I'm gonna be calling this a day. And I go back or go to other areas in this place. Yep. Masaka for you, Masaka City. Yes, Masaka City. Yep. So that's it for today. Let's tune in another day and we continue going. Yep, this is Masaka City for you. Yep. So that has been for today. We will continue next time, inshallah, because we have a lot to bring on the table right about now. Yeah, so that's it. See you next time. I've been your boy in Masaka. Let's meet again. Big up.